Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. This is the part second of our Passé Composé, in which we are going to discuss movement verbs. Right? Movement verbs. So, what are the movement verbs? So, there are a set of motion verbs or state of change verbs which are taking eth with it. Right? Which are using eth with it. So, let's discuss first. This is the basic structure of our Passé Composé part 1. I think you have understood it well. In which we were doing subject plus avoir faisons plus pp and object. Right? Now in movement verbs category we are using subject plus être faisons. So the difference between part 1 and part 2 is here we were using avoir faisons and here we are using être faisons, but only with the movement verbs, which are a set of verbs which we are going to discuss during this video. Subject être faisons, pp will remain same. Object plus GWE, gender wise ending. In first part, subject was agreeing to auxiliary verb only, but here we need to agree with auxiliary verb as well as with PP, past participle as well. Right? That's why gender wise ending is there. So the formula for Passé Composé in movement form is subject plus être faisons plus pp plus object and with gender wise ending. Let's discuss these things with the help of examples. First movement verb is aller. Aller is to go. Example: Je suis allé au cinéma. Être. Right? Être. Je suis. Tu es. Il, elle. Et. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Il, elle. Sont. Right? We are using this être verb here. Je suis allé au cinéma. I went to the cinema. Here I is masculine, that's why this is without E. If that is the feminine, so you should use E, extra E here for the feminine part. For example, here. Ils sont allés à la plage. They went to the beach. Because they are plural, that's why we have used S here. Ils sont allés à la plage. They went to the beach. Correct? So aller is the first verb, which is coming under movement category. Second verb, venir, to come. Example: Elle est venue me voir hier. Venue, PP here. L with A. She came to see me. DOP, yesterday. She came to see me yesterday. Elle est venue me voir hier. Because this is L, that's why there is additional E to it. If that is masculine, so there should not be E to it. One more example. Nous sommes venus en avance. Avance means early. We came early. Because here nous, plural, that's why S is there. We came early. We came early. Nous sommes venus en avance. Then next verb is partir. Partir, to leave. Example, il est parti tôt ce matin. He left early this morning. Il est parti tôt ce matin. This is PP and this is auxiliary of faisant. Then, elles sont parties en vacances. Elles, they left on vacation. Or they went on vacation. Elles sont parties en vacances. Because this is plural as well as feminine, that's why ES will be there. Elles sont parties en vacances. Correct? Gender-wise ending. Let's move to the fourth verb, which is arriver, to arrive. Example, nous sommes arrivés à l'heure. We arrived on time. Nous sommes arrivés à l'heure. Nous sommes plural, that's why plural. Nous sommes arrivés à l'heure. We came on or we arrived on time. Next, les invités sont arrivés hier soir. Invités, relatives, or sorry, guests. The guests arrived yesterday night. Les invités sont arrivés hier soir. Clear? Next verb is descendre, to go down. Right? To go down. Es-tu descendu du train? You got off the train? Is get off also, right? Descendu to go down also, and to get off also. Es-tu descendu du train? You got off the train? Interrogative. Right? And we are using which one? This is, we have already discussed different type of asking question. This is inversion. When we are changing the position of subject and verb. Next one. Ils sont descendus dans la cave. They went down to the cave. Ils sont descendus dans la cave. Ils sont descendus dans la cave. They went down to the cave. Gender ending here. That's why we have added S. Next verb, monter, to go up or to climb. Example, elle est montée au sommet de la montagne. She climbed to the top of the mountain. Elle est montée au sommet de la montagne. One more example. See here, extra E, because this is she. Nous sommes montés au dernier étage. We climbed to the last stage, or we reached to the last stage. Nous sommes, étage, stage, or étage is floor. Étage is floor, right? Nous sommes montés au dernier étage. We have reached to the last floor. Then sorti, to go out. Ils sont sortis du restaurant. They went out of the restaurant. Ils sont sortis du restaurant. Plural. And at verb, they went out of the restaurant. This is also movement verb. Then rester, to stay. Example, elle est restée à la maison. Elle est restée à la maison. She stayed at home. So whenever we are adding E or S to it, pronunciation doesn't change. Right? For example here, elle est restée à la maison. She stayed at home. This is also one of the movement verbs. Next is entrer, to enter. Example, nous sommes entrés dans le musée. We entered the museum. Nous sommes entrés dans le musée. Nous sommes entrés. Plural. Then être verb. Nous sommes entrés dans le musée. We entered the museum. I hope this is clear. Okay. Next verb is tomber. To fall. Tomber. To fall. Example. Il est tombé de l'arbre. Tree. He fell from tree. Il est tombé. Tombé is PP. He fell from the tree. Arbre. Rentrer. To return home. Rentrer. Example. Ils sont rentrés chez eux après le travail. They return home after the work. They returned home after the work. Correct? Il. That's why it's plural here. They returned home after the work. Then, retourner. Retourner. To return or to go back. Elle est retournée à son bureau. She returned to her office. Elle est retournée à son bureau. She returned to her office. Clear? Okay. Next verb is revenir. To come back. Revenir. Nous sommes revenus du voyage hier. We came back from the trip yesterday. Nous sommes revenus du voyage hier. Plural, that's why S. Nous sommes revenus du voyage hier. We came back from tour yesterday. Devenir. To become. Devenir. Elle est devenue médecin. She became a doctor. Elle est devenue médecin. She became a doctor. Then, mourir, to die. Son grand-père est mort l'année dernière. L'année dernière is last year. His grandfather passed away last year. Son grand-père est mort l'année dernière. Correct? Naître, to be born. Example, elle est née en hiver. What is hiver? Winters. She was born in winters. Elle est née en hiver. Née, because this is elle, feminine. Elle est née en hiver. So these are the 16 movement verbs which are taking être with it. I hope these all are clear. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.